Now we can study how can we find the value of an expression if the value of a variable is given. That is, in case of x plus 5, we have to find the value of this expression when the value of x is equal to 10. That is, here we have to substitute which value is given for this variable. Here the variable is x. The value of x is 10. So substitute that value and write the remaining constant or whatever it is. Then 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay. In some cases, a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 7. Find the value of expression 2a plus b square plus 2. How can we find out? Here we have to substitute 2a. What is its meaning? 2 multiplied by a. That is 2 times 5. Here the value of a is given, that is 5. Plus b square. Here the value of b is 7. That is 7 squared plus 2. Got it? Then 2 times 5, that is 10. 10 plus 7 squared. What is that meaning? 7 times 7. 7 sevens are 49 plus 2. Got it? That is 10 plus 49, that is 59 plus 2, that is equal to 69. I think you got the idea. How can we find out? Okay. Now we can discuss 12.3 group 1. That is, they are given the value of m is equal to 2. That is, if m is equal to 2, find the value of. Here 5 questions are there. We can try to solve that. M minus 2. We have to find the value of m minus 2. That is, when m is equal to 2, m minus 2 is equal to, we have to substitute the value of m. Here m is equal to 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So the value of this expression will be 0 when m is equal to 2. Next question is, m is equal to 2. We have to find, when m is equal to 2, we have to find 3m minus 5. That is 3m. That is 3 multiplied by m. Here m is equal to 2 minus 5. Here first we have to find if there is any multiplication. That is, we have to think about board mass. Board mass. That is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the order of this operation. So 3 times 2, that is 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the value of this expression will be 0 when m is equal to 2. Okay, next question is 3m minus 5. Here it is given m is equal to 2. Then 3 times 2 minus 5. That we have done. Next question is 9 minus 5m. That is 9 minus 5 multiplied by m. That is m is equal to 2. So, times 2. Then, this portion we have to do first. 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. So, the value of this expression will be minus 1 when m is equal to 2. Okay, next question is 3m square minus 2m minus 7. Here 3m square, that is 3 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 7. Okay, 3 times 2 squared. What is that? 3 times 2 square will be 4 minus 2 times 2, 4 minus 7. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 12 minus 4 minus 7. That is equal to 12 minus, here minus 4 minus 7. That is equal to minus 11. So 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. So the value of this expression will be 1 when m is equal to 2. Now we can do two sums, that is p is equal to minus 2. When p is equal to minus 2. First question is for p plus 7. Not minus, plus 7. Okay. So 4 times negative 2 plus 7. That is 4 times negative 2. That is equal to negative 8 plus 7. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Then minus 1 will be the answer. Then next question is negative 3p square plus 4p plus 7. That is negative 3p square is equal to negative 3 multiplied by, here p is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 square. This part will be the one term. Each term we can give in bracket. Then do that work. Then next term and so on. Okay. This is the another one. Then plus 7. Now negative 3, negative 2 into negative 2, positive 4. Plus 4 times negative 2, negative 8 plus 7. Then negative 12 minus 8 plus 7. That is negative 20. Negative 12, negative 8. That is negative 20. Plus 7 is equal to 20 minus 7. 13. Greatest number is 20. Sign of 20 is negative. So negative 13 is the answer. Here the third question is negative 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So here negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 cube. Okay. One term completed. Minus 3 multiplied by negative 2 square. Next term. Okay. Plus 4 into negative 2. Next term. Plus 7. Now negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 into negative 2 into negative 2. What is the answer? That is negative 8. Okay. Then minus 3 times negative 2 square will be 4. Okay. Second term plus 4 times negative 2. That is negative 8 plus 7. Got it. Then negative 2 multiplied by negative 8. That is positive 16. Minus 3 times 4, 12. Then plus and minus. Then that will be minus 8 plus 7. Okay. 16 will be these are the two negative. Negative 12 minus 8. That is negative 20. Then these are the two positive numbers. 16 plus 7, that is 23. Then minus 20 plus 23, that is equal to 3. Greatest number is 23. Sign will be positive. So positive 3. That is 3 itself. Got it? Next question, ninth question. What should be the value of A? If the value of 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5 when x is equal to 0. That is, when the value of x is equal to 0, the value of this expression will be 5. But at the time we have to find the value of a. How can we find out? Now we got it as x is equal to 0. So we can find out x here. 2 times x square, that is 2 squared. 2 square is the one term plus next x. X is the another one term minus a. We don't know the value of a. We have to find out. Is equal to 5. Okay, that is 2 times 0 square. Anyway, the value will be 0. 0 plus 0 minus a is equal to 5. That is minus a. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus a is equal to minus a itself. Minus a is equal to 5. What is mean by minus a? That is negative 1 multiplied by a is equal to 5. Okay, so a is equal to 5 divided by negative 1. What is the value? Minus 5. Got it. So a is equal to negative 5. Then question number 10. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to negative 3. The expression is 2 of a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. Got it? Then 2 multiplied by, okay, a square, that is 5 square. Here a is equal to 5 plus 5 into b minus 3. Okay, that is the one term. We can give that in. First we have to do this bracket. Next this bracket. Okay, then last this full. Plus 3 minus a. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to negative 3. Another term. Then 2 times 5 square, that is equal to 25 plus 5 times negative 3, that is negative 15. Okay, plus 3 minus 5 times negative 3, that is negative 15. Got it? Then 2 times 25 plus negative 5. One is positive, another one is negative. We have to subtract these numbers. 25 minus 15, that is 10. The greatest number is 25. Sign is positive. So 2 times positive 10. Okay. Plus 3 minus will be plus 50. Okay. Then 20 plus 3 plus 15, 18. 20 plus 18, 38. 38 is the value of this expression when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to negative 3. Okay, I think you got the idea. Thank you.